I make sure they understand that they contracted us to come out to do that final step to take care of them.
How often do homeowners should do pressure wash, and what part of their homes should they consider pressure washing first?
Okay, so the how often they should do it is at least once a year. If they've never done it before, they need to do it 6 months, uh, every 6 months, do it twice a year the first time, and then the following year, the one time. Now, I also believe that they should do the outside of their house once a year and have that taken care of to make sure that it's nice and cleaned and no molds, things like that.
Methods, especially for new homeowners, things that they should look into. Floor is yours.
Well, thank you for that question. I think what the homeowners need to look for when they buy a home, not n- they're already looking at the inside and the outside, but they need to look around what's around the home too. There's a lot of mold that can grow even on brick and stone. And anybody that has allergy issues or asthma, these can really flare up on other people, and it could cause a domino effect. And when people look at these things, we can even go around and take care of that at the same time, even at commercial businesses, residential businesses, and it gives a fresh, more nature smell, and it's a lot healthier for our clients too, because we do care for them. I usually like to go the next day after I do a job and get back with the client, make sure everything was okay, and do a follow up with them if they have any issues, complaints, anything that they might have seen. And I even do that for even Steel Country. How did what do you think about how they did their services, and that I make sure they understand that they contracted us to come out to do that final step to take care of them.